A very beautiful morning to everyone. My name is Anil Soni and today we are at Mahindra World City, Jaipur. This video is specially meant for all the industrialists out here who is looking to purchase the land parcel at Mahindra SEZ. Mahindra SEZ is spread across 3000 acres of land parcel. It's a joint venture between RICO, that is Rajasthan Industrial Development Corporation of Rajasthan, and with Mahindra SEZ. My name is Anil Soni, my firm name is Manideep Enterprise, and I am an associated channel partner with Mahindra Lifespaces. Let me just take you to a tour of Mahindra SEZ. Entering the SEZ IT zone area, you can see many companies like ATCS, Wipro, Deutsche Bank, MetLife, Office of Mahindra Lifespaces and other companies. Then comes Nagaro. You can see many IT companies out here, many new constructions going on. As we can see that many companies are coming up over here in Jaipur. This is the campus of Infosys, entire campus. Now we will be moving towards the industrial zone. That is DTA part, domestic tariff area. Over here we can see companies like JCB, Berto, Malani Impex, Polaris Grid, Harman, and many other companies. Over here we can find few companies like, okay, here comes Global Quartz, Agrovision, then comes Aerogranite, there's a new construction, Vetracare, Oro Design, and this is Yasin Lighting. Now if we enter the second part, that is DTA tariff area, domestic tariff area part 2, over here we can see many warehouses like Renew, Delivery, Amazon, then Wipro Hydraulics. This is Wipro Hydraulics. And we have many other companies who are more into logistic and other industrial activities. Normet, that's Normet, and coming up next is, this is Fackelman. Then comes Topline. And over there we can see Caracol. So we are not covering all the entire area. We are just highlighting few companies like Caracol, Havels. So this is all about the industrial zone. For more details, we can meet and we can contact on the given number. So the plots that I am talking about is located in the DTS section, that is the domestic tariff area, wherein the available plot sizes range between 65 by 83. So approximately it would be around, say, 5,300 square meter. So available plots are more than 5,000 plus, so which is 5,000 plus square meters, and there are limited plots in DTS section. However, if you would like to go for plots within SEZ, that is Special Economic Zone, in that case, there are available plots in that section as well in acres, and the prices ranges between 7,500 per square meter for SEZ, wherein for DTS section the price range between around 15,000 per square meter. Other additional charges are like operational and maintenance on a monthly basis would be 13,500 per acre per month, and water charges are around 123 rupees per kiloliter. For more details, you can contact me. My name is Anil Soni from Manideep Enterprise and channel partner of Mahindra Lifespaces. You can contact me on the given number and I can help you with the industrial plots available for your reference. Thank you.